Shofit. Grand.
Mthobeleni.
And then Mtho. So Mtho. So the approaching name is Mtho. The full name is Mthobeleni.
Full name Mthobeleni.
Okay.
But my own approach I'm Mtho or M.
M. So the M word. You can't really represent that, mustn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. And then Mthobeleni ngwalapha kuQumbu, ukhulela kuQumbu. Ithini into yakhe sithini story sakhe?
Mthobeleni lona uzalelwe eMpumalanga yena.
Okay. Interesting.
Yeah. But ngokukhula since umama wami besebenza le ndabuya ndazohlala nomakhulu apha ezilalini kuQumbu, so ndakhulela apha kuQumbu ndihlala nomakhulu.
So mama ko besebenza eMpumalanga?
Okay. Besebenza eMpumalanga umama notata bebesempumalanga wethu.
All right.
So ke ngoku ndazohlala nomagogo apha ezilalini.
Okay.
Ndakhula ndihlala nomagogo apha ezilalini.
So uhleli kweziphila lapha kuQumbu?
La enantsike negurha elalini eMafusini.
Igurha masikwecala loSolengama.
Branch apha wayalezo.
Apha ukwayalezo then ungene phakathi ube so uyohleza.
Wehle.
All right. And then so you were born eMpumalanga, waziswa watrok okanye waziswa ngoba kuthini? Awumosha kwelacala okanye kuze at an early age?
Ndize at an early age because into ezininzi ndizifunde ndihlala nomagogo. For example, mayinibalisele istory sami umagogo into zokuhamba uthini ndizenze ndihlala naye.
So uze usemncinci? Okay. And then so ukhuleke ngosazi lo mama ngumagogo?
Benimazi mama because benimane nge-holidays ndihambe ndiye kuye. Then ndiphinde ndibuye. Ndihamba nesister yami. Ndiye kumama nge-holidays then ndibuye. Ndifike ndizohlala nomagogo futhi ndiqhubeke nesikolo nje kanjalo.
Mthobeleni umntana singapha kwakho?
Wesihlanu.
How many boys?
4.
4 boys. So wena ungowesihlanu, which is the last born?
Nah.
There's another one?
Ndingowesihlanu siba yi-6.
Okay. Oh, by 6. So wena number 5.
Yeah.
So Emma boys number 1.
Emma boys number 3.
Number 3, which is done.
Yeah. Last born.
Last born boy. Yeah. So there's only how many? There's 2 girls.
2 girls. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's 2 girls. Okay, fine. So badala ababanya girls is.
Yeah, because first born we not a boy, second girl, third girl, then busy boys is London is 3.
Right. So ufunde up.
Yeah.
Did you go to varsity or something?
Nah, I didn't go to varsity. A college in dropout here, phakathi because of the situation and since kwela xesha le COVID.
Okay.
Benise college ndisenza i-IT but then kwacaca ubana ngaba kuyavalwa izikolo. Then ngokuvalwa izikolo ufundwa online.
Yeah.
And at that time bengina phone ndingenanto ndikakwazi ufunda online. Manibuyele esikolweni kokuvula izikolo wathi lecturer late ayizokwazi bana ibuyele emva kulanto ibiyitisha ngela xesha kuvaliwe kubitisha online. Yeah. So ke ngona decide bana ngaba khona ndisazoyiqhubekela because bathi bona if you fail, if you struggle uphendula nje question yanye ntoni you fail. So labe ngiqoba into eninzi andiyazi because kandiyifunde.
Okay.
Since bekuvaliwe ndingakwazi ufunda.
So that means COVID has costed a lot of people kahle because in business abantu ba costed COVID. So now vezenye esikolo abantu the work yabo imisebenzi yabo abanye yaphela because of COVID-19. Where kaloku introduce the technology, you understand?
Yeah.
So umsebenzi wenziwe nge-machines abantu bengekho. Okay, fine. And then so wafunda e-varsity college wayeka.
Yeah.
Uyeke kunyaka wokuqala.
Yeah.
First year.
First year.
IT.
Yeah.
Attend IT. All right. And then from college to the brand. Let's take it there.
Yeah.
So now dropping out for 2020, right? Let's say so.
Yeah.
So now you have to discover a way of living. So wenza ndoni? What have you done? Awuphangeli, awufundi. Wenzeke ntoni ngela xesha yintoni ezengqondweni yakho?
That time bendise college bendisempumalanga.
Okay.
So ndiye ndahlala pha after ndiyekile up until November, then ndabuya ngoNovember ndazohlala apha ezilalini.
Okay.
But ngondibuya ndizohlala apha ezilalini ibiseyikhona into eyibrand endiyenzayo but ndingekakwazi uapproach abantu ba ndifuna ukwenza izinto zami.
Okay.
Zibe sebantwini sibonakala.
Okay.
So ndafika apha ezilalini ndahlala la nyaka 2020 waphela. Then the following year, I think it was andisakumele bezinyangeni.
Okay.
Ndasebenza kwenye tavern pha elalini.
Alright.
Ndithengisela pha. Kwazofika ikhona ibra yapha elalini ene-brand nayo. Aninathi brand yakhona.
Okay.
Yeah. So makufika le bra ndi-approach le bra. Ndiyibonisa uba ebra ndinalento apha. So ndirhalela ukwenza i-brand yam.
It was still a design.
It was still a design that time.
Okay.
Ndithi ndirhalela ukwenza i-brand yam. Athi uBrad Mvelo uthatha inamba yam unditexte kuWhatsApp, so thetha kuWhatsApp then isibone uba sithini. Ndithi okay akho ngxaki bra. Then andimtexte kuWhatsApp ndimsendele lento ahambe because akangumuntu ohlala khona pha ezilalini. Then mayibuye wabuye ndiphethela izikipa zinale brand. So kulapho ndithe ndathathela khona ndaqonda okay masose ndiqhubeke nalento ndingabi sayeka.
So ezi zikipa bezine brand yakho. So uvele wathatha yena wakwenzela idemo about this thing. Okay, fine.
Then wandinikeza izikipa zami. Lapho ke ngoku sose ndapick up khona ndaqonda masose ndiqhubeke ndingabi sayeka.
So now so this branding thing, it was a getaway yakho from drop out esikolweni nokungaphangeli okanye nokusoka la tavern. So it was a getaway ba uvele wenza uzimisela kwi brand okanye bekhona omnye umsebenzi obuwenza within.
Hayi awukho like i-brand lena like i-brand bezithu into bendizenza ne.
Okay.
Umusic oqala.
Oh, uyacula ka?
Yeah.
Wow. Hayi. Qombuze kanti. Yeah. Awuzathi vanya. Ngakusibethe ngevesanyana man.
Umusic oqala. Then i-brand yona inspired music.
What type of music oyiculayo? What type?
Hip hop. I'm a rapper.
So you are a rapper. So we are a rapper. There's a brand kuqala, and I believe rapper ufana nepoet njengembonga ndithi.
Yeah.
So can you just do one thing on that?
Go.
Yeah.
Okay. It's like from village to the city, all that to capability. Remember, I'm Dr. Infinity. Time collect my royalties to forward that recipe, do it more obvious, sucks my head. So you know I can't believe you say I had to take a step, no choice. Calm down, you do your thing. I'll get some lights in one day. Spirit, live in belief. Then it pushed me to the edge. I'm on the verge. They busy count on ledgers, forget to push themselves up. You keep on calling me names. No worries, I got you fans. Switching things I'm from XV, enging on Emma Fusini, in the Tipotani, Zonsundan Kalekis, in the Kakashu Pogolo, Shapume Punch.
Okay, so the rapping part ke ngoku I complement an brand yakho.
Yeah.
So now when we package kahle. So you can have your brand as an artist because we say the artist that does branding, obvious that person is a fashion designer. Yes. Mm. So now do you call yourself as a fashion designer or can you call yourself as a businessman or you call yourself as an artist which is a musician, a hip hop singer or what?
I can say I'm an artist.
The artist which covers everything.
Yeah.
So can you draw?
Drawing, I'm not good.
Because the reason why I'm saying can you draw, they always look at the artist as a man who does drawing. Do you get me? So now there's this part that they don't understand of. You can be an artist if you're dealing with clothes, you're an artist. If you're dealing with pictures, you're an artist. If you're dealing with music, you are an artist, you understand?
Yeah.
So it's actually art. The word artist describes a person who is in art. Do you get me?
Yeah.
A person who is in art, or a person who does art, what is that person? It's an artist. So I'm trying to say, you remember that town here to Kombone, it's a small town, NLA's needs, where majority yetu, as young as Kolweni, do you get me?
Yeah.
See, let's Kolweni, Njenga, you just came back, yabo. So akhange uphume uyotsho kulanda abanye abantwana bakuyo who have got privilege ke yopasa esikoleni Maxebe, you understand? So now when we break down everything ufuna kusicingela ba no makhona abantu bangapha komthozela, do you get me? Khona abantu bangapha ko what is this place Mampondweni, yabo?
Yeah.
I remember they are far from these things, so maybe out of 100 it's only I think it's only 60% of the privilege bamagafumane udlula, I understand?
Yeah.
So nabanye abantu bafuma ngo-40%. So now the branding must be a backseat the brand, and that's what the branding or the brand. Let's say the brand.
Yeah, the brand.
Igama le brand, don't igama le brand.
igama le-brand it's RM.
So it's RM.
Yeah.
And then
what mhlawumbe?
so this is the M osuka from Umthobeleni, ne?
You can say that either, but
Then where is the R coming from?
okay, R. Let it come from kwiphupha brane.
Okay.
Like ndiphuphe bensebhizi ngomculo ne before kuvele lento yebrand. So ndiphupha istudio sakhona it was Red Magazine. So ndicinga andinayo indlela yokuba ndenze esi studio. So manje ndizame mhlawumbe ndenze into nje ezonenza uba ndingalibalela gama. So that mase ndinamandla ndisenza loo nto ndibe ndiqala uba lisekhona elaa gama liyaphila. So ndali-abbreviate ndathatha nje u-R ndenza no-M ecaleni so that the Red Magazine.
Oh, I see. Because remember, as a person or as people abazosupporta the brand, sifuna ukwazi uba ndinxibe ibrand ethini ngoku. To get me? Ndinxibe le brand yekamthobeleni, and then it's RM, then u-R umele le, u-M umele le, to get me ne?
Yeah.
So sifuna lolo. Then the slogan behind the brand, I think I can see branding yakho. You have to the slogan inspire. So the slogan behind the branding, what is the inspiration with the slogan?
Inspiration like mfana ukhulele ezilalini okanye ufuna kwi-big cities.
Okay.
Like njengezinye izinto like oJoburg ntoni ingapheleli
From village to the city.
From village to the city ingapheleli apha ezantsi.
Umthatha yi-city do you forget? It's only the village. It's only Qumbu village, and then it's Tsolo village, and then Umtata it's the city. Manfred it's the city. Going forward it's the cities. This city is Zongezia, and then what is the other village? Ngobo village. Do you get me? Ngaleni village. But so that means now you say we are with this Umtata. We can't leave Umtata out of this.
I can't.
Because Umtata is the nearby city next to you.
Yeah.
That you can also blossom kuyo yabo. Uthengise phayana. So now having this brand uzithengisela usendlini.
Yeah. Essentially.
One day, don't you think maybe it can be more visible xa unoba ne shop nyana?
Le into Brian into endihlale ndiyicinga ne kuba mhlawumbe at least ndifumane noba indawanyana nje kube khona into zam eziphaya ezothengiselwa phaa qha engoba ndikafumani ii-connections zoba ndingene like akabikho umntu endidibana naye sivisisana ubana singakwazi uba senze kanje.
I think that's the purpose of a podcast now. We have to, the reason why we do Iqumbu podcast, right?
Yeah.
We are there to uplift abantu basezilalini who have got dreams, ne? But their dreams siqaphela into yobana ziphelela kubo, do you get me? And then end up engage themselves with other things as different. Because each and every person onofika esejele from Qumbu and then umbuza uba why are you here? It's one story. You know the story.
Yeah.
And then xa unombuza laa mntu uba amaphupha akhona ayisethini just before you engage yourself kule nto uzokuxela uba no andandifuna ukwenza into ethile, andandifuna ucula, andandifuna that thing. So we had to develop Iqumbu podcast so that we can talk about la maphupha wethu, to get me, as artists, as abantu abatsha ba-inspired ngabanye abantu, so that we can have i-solution. So you've got the right platform. Siza kuhooka up thina, don't worry. Siza kuhooka up nezindawo, you can put your brand phana phaa, we can do that. So now you wish to have a shop.
Yeah,
where everybody uzokwazi ufikelela, because not everyone unayo inamba yakho.
Yeah.
Do you get me? And then also do you also advertise in terms of modelers that showcase your fashion shows?
Angikabi nabo abantu abanjalo.
Why ungayi fashion show? Okanye you've never been invited into a fashion show? So you only know the designer, which is lo bhuti wakuthatha from there wabeka kule ndawo kuyo ngoku. So you don't know anyone outside Qumbu?
Outside Qumbu?
Who is a designer? No, we'll hook you up, don't worry. Zama is Qumbu podcast. Guys, Qumbu podcast does that. Whatever that you want to do, if we sina indlela thina siyakwazi ukuconnecta, and then so that ukwazi ufumana izinto zakho ziphumelele ngahlobo zenzeka ngalo. Guys, we don't have anything nathi, but siyakwazi ukubonisa, sikubonisa ukuvula amehlo as umuntu wasezilalini, then uphumelele. So now masithi ke ngoku the brand, what do you think i-brand yakho, if ngokucinga kwakho ngohlobo soyibone rana ngalo ngoku ne, if mhlawumbe unganikwa ii-platforms kwezi showcase shows, yabona, kwezi fashion shows ushowcase izinto zakho, do you think ingaba bigger than ngoku?
I think so, bro.
ngaba bigger.
I think
Into
so.
lekwenza ukuthi udala ucinga uba ingaba bigger.
Into edaba ngicimba ngaba bigger, brane. Like i-quality yezinto endizenzayo i-top nayo.
Okay.
Ayikho nantsika like yabo. So I think nabantu bazayithanda because i-comfortable way zakhona.
Okay. So ndiyakwazi ukuthi uthenge ilaphu lam wherever ndithenge ilaphu lam the type of fabric endiyifunayo ndize kuwe as a designer liking your brand and say Ntoma nayi RM please bra can I have a logo of your brand apha kwelaphu it's a nothing, it's nothing lilaphu nje normal.
Yeah.
Alilo lapho lili brand ethile, understand? I just bought ilapha shop ndifuna ke ngoku undenzele undesignele, let's say ndithi ke ngoku khandenzele i-shirt man then uyibrande this RM. Can you do that? Okanye wena you come with your own fabric undenzele.
Since prior ngoku like like umzekelo azithungwa ndim ezweni.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Khona umjita endi-communicate naye osedebheni.
Okay.
So nguye oyandenzele ezinto ndimxelele uba ndifuna into enjani. Then ayikhangelele nandenzele then ayithumele ngapha kum.
So also he does your branding kolaka.
Yeah,
So
yonke into zenza kumze zi-right.
So actually when we designer that I've got designers sebenza nazo. Because we can't run away that we design. Because you've designed lento from engqondweni wayikhupha into a paper. I believe designers they've got sketch. There was a sketch. I must have sketch on your laptop more. You sketch then when we send it the sample. Yeah. So you do that. So you've got all the colors.
Yeah.
All the colors.
All the colors.
So when I'm saying all the colors, I mean how many colors? Is it 24 or is it 12?
Yeah.
See how many colors? Is it 24 or 12? I think 12 or 24. I think 24, 12. 12.
Sure,
12, yeah. No, you cannot see 12. Yeah, see 12 because it's yellow, it's red, it's green, it's blue, it's white, it's black, it's violet, it's guys, then it's you see it's orange and then there's I'm short of a few. It's lime or something, I don't know. And then there's brown and there's I forgot I've mentioned red. For instance, the primary color. Navy, there's navy. Blue is there. Sky blue, it's a tertiary color. It comes from the primary colors and the secondary colors. I think I've done that. I'm an artist as well, so I know these things. So we've got colors, né? So we've got primary colors. So we've got secondary colors, then we've got tertiary colors. You should know those things because I was at Nanditi Difuna, a tertiary color is dibanisa red. Then secondary color is about violet. Then your tertiary color is about pink, purple, what, purple, brown, purple. You get those colors as the answers needs.
Yeah.
So you should be able to. So we are as we have a lot of panels ago. Did it wrong to be and the full blue rather than saying purple blue. Yeah, or purple red. So I answer on there.
I'm not sure.
Which is maybe it will need a painting. Okay. So yes, talking of your painting. So do you do as new hoodies, or not to be plain hoodies? Maybe uzlaring a painting, but with your brand as well. Or you just do plain?
Like, umzekelo lena inale brand kuphela ne. But mawukhona into ofuna ibe khona. Like loo nto ifunayo wena, musuzondisendela ipicture yale nto ifunayo. Then sizawuyifaka nayo.
Because I think if you know the Kumbo podcast t-shirt, but if you know the hood, it's stamp Kumbo podcast all over, which is in the fabric, and then put your brand. Yeah, okay, that's nice. So I have to design. Okay, you find the picture and
yeah.
Then when I was a yen and also hood, I quite expensive got.
Aloku umzekelo yi-300 hood ne.
300 hood
yeah.
Okay.
Then masowufaka inansika i-design of your choice i-330. Yeah.
So kama yenyewe kasibone this brand, I think maybe brand yakho.
Yeah.
So I think the viewers they will love to see so okay. They'll love to see how it looks. Oh, it's a plain nice hoodie. Oh, okay, there's a stamp gold color as well.
Yeah.
Chica gold color ngap chica. Then there's a bag. It's a very nice bag. It's a very nice bag. I think they had a bag. You understand? All right. And then also, do you have t-shirts?
Yeah.
Do you have sweaters?
Yeah.
Zinjani zona zibuka kanjani? Do you have something
Sweaters.
hospital as well? Something I think those things there. Says born and that we can see. It's for those couple. Oh wow. All right. So he hood nalena, ne?
Yeah, a hood.
Very nice hoodie. That's my size. Apparently, it's my size. It's a very nice hoodie. Okay. It's a very nice hoodie, guys. Okay. So there's red. Red is one of my favorite colors, I think. But because of I'm light in complexion, so I like yellow. But this is nice. This is nice. This looks very nice. Guys, support the brand, Nance. It's a very nice hoodie. From village to the city. RM. Whoever corner get guys artistic. I don't know what's going on, but it's not according to the reader, it can't be M, but it's M. So it's RM. It's a very nice hoodie. Nancy guys, it's a very beautiful hoodie, red, very, very nice, good quality. Iyasinda as uipete. This nice hoodie. And then we call it sweater, ne?
Yeah.
So it's hoodie, ibe sweater, ibe pants. All the colors.
T-shirts.
Golf t-shirts. Okay. So do you tell me, so do you supply, let's say, organizations ezifuna uzidesignela something yonxiba?
Nah, ngabufika iopro ndawo udesignele organization.
But you're still going there.
Yeah.
It's a very nice black hoodie, guys. It's a very nice black hoodie. What is this? A sweater, yeah. Very good quality. Iyasinda. Okay. All right. Okay. So this is the brand, Yako. And then, okay, fine. Now, una sweater, imagine sweater yon.
Sweater is 280.
And then, bent.
Bent is 250.
Hoodie, it's 300 rand.
300 rand.
Where is the 50 going? Why 50? Why was instead of 300 rand, 250 and 280? Okay, fine. All right. So now promoting these hoodies, do you have abantu who are in town, all around town, that are wearing your brand, your brand clothes, like your brand clothes? But customer wako.
Yeah.
But it's not that famous.
Yeah,
what is the inspiring, which brand that inspires you in South Africa? The whole of South Africa, let's say so.
The whole of South Africa.
Yeah. Mthatha, which brand inspire you? Just because of must be the whole of South Africa, let's say that.
The whole of South Africa, a brand. But a brand is slang.
Okay. Spell it or something.
But
is the famous brand is slang in South Africa, Leah. I can see. All right. So don't you have into a net then you hence request. Okay. There's a brand yes, Slovo, guys. I forgot this guy. I worked with that guy so much in 2020. I think I worked with the guy 2018. No, not 2018. 2022, 2021. I've worked with that guy. So that guy he's a designer as well. Ne? Then une branding yakhe ayenzayo all around Mthatha. Talking about fashion shows, he's one of the guys about organizing fashion shows to show off the artists, show off the brands. And I'm saying, have you ever been there so that you organize a man back okay, if you don't have, you can go with your clothes. You figure popcorn modelers, pane modeler. The modeler, it's a modeler and the model. Figure back on a pabanda ba for then they wear your clothes but showcase on that carpet. So I think and then also so you've got this brand on point on top wow, I think you are going for a shop. Also, but I think we shops all over South Africa in each and every province, more than 2 shops, right? Now having this yoba ulapha kuqombo usithini uncedakele njani ngoba lapha kuqombo into ekuncedileyo ebomini bakho?
I think uba lapha kuqumbu ngose ndilapha etown into endincedile ngumsebenzi because sometimes ndiyakwazi uzenzela izinto
Okay.
akho sidingo sobana ngaba mhlambi ndibe nalaa nto uba ndizayifuna kubani into ethile uze ndikwazi ukwenza into enje
Yeah.
so ndiyakwazi uplana ndiqonda okay kule nyanga ndirhaluka ndenza into ethile so kumele ndikhathe off into ethile ndingayenzi kule nyanga yabo.
Talking of planning, do you have a family? Your own
how?
family?
No.
Not married?
Andikakabi naye.
Nangu, guys. Not married?
I'm not
No
married.
family? Any kids?
Usazoba khona akabikho.
Not coming? Not on the way?
On the way.
On the way? So it's an egg, actually. So we're going to bring an egg. Okay, fine. Okay, the kid is coming, and then tell me any relationship that you have so far.
Yeah.
So the woman is inspiring you. So there's a woman behind this becoming successful man.
Yeah, there is a woman.
So nihlala noyi-2,
No. Asihlaliswa yithi.
but you are in a relationship with her.
Yeah.
Okay, uhlala phi yena?
Uhlale eNantsikeni esesikolweni eMthatha, uhlala eMthatha.
Uhlala eMthatha kwalapha Qumbu kodwa.
Yeah.
So uhlala eMthatha usesikolweni eMthatha. So I hope akekho omnye osesikolweni I hope see bra we are live.
It's alive, I
yes,
know.
so I think akekho omnye osesikolweni kwenye indawo.
Hayi.
Lo usesikolweni eMthatha cha.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Noma mhlawumbe uzancuma naye xa iziva kuthiwa you understand? Okay, fine. No, I think your brand, bro, will go far only if we get the right connections. Correct connections. I mean, everything happens within time. You understand? So you need to give yourself time, introduce the brand here. I think you must also do shows up at Qumbu yourself. Do your shows. There's Vegas here as well, where you can go and then maybe book a Sunday, where you say, "I'll do my fashion show here." You understand? And then maybe get to have a fashion designer at Chile. And then my ex-girlfriend was a fashion designer. She was a fashion designer, but she went for teaching. So those people have any ideas that they can do. You understand? They can prepare for you. Do you get me? So I think Qumbu Podcast is there, guys, to promote things like these ones. Equality, lena guys, ehleli ngapha emafusini. The person has got brand yakhe, it's going to be big, but yena ubambe the success of the brand. So we are there as Qumbu Podcast, guys, just to give you a platform to showcase your work, to showcase your talent, your personality, so that uzokwazi ukuxhumana nabantu abakhulu, guys, abasezindaweni eziphezulu, the big celebrities, guys, bazonibona just online, not banihleli komakwenu. Come to the Qumbu Podcast studios. Zilapha kule building, ilapha opposite to KFC, kule building ka Dr. Ncebeche. Just come there, try to show us what you got, then we can arrange with you to come and have the show. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Dango.
Yeah,